9.4, classify the triangles. Klassifiseer die driehoeke. So gaan terug where you did the summaries for triangles. Look at the characteristics of each. There's no lines given, so you will have to figure that out. Give me the names for them. So 9.5, it says which quadrilateral is regular and which triangle is regular. So watter een van die vierhoeke en driehoeke is reëlmatige veelhoeke? I'll talk to you through that one. Firstly, the vierhoek would be a square because all the angles and sides are the same. Dis die vierkant, want al die kante en die sye is dieselfde, al die hoeke, al die hoeke en die sye is dieselfde. And then equiangular, what is that name? Triangle, because it has 3 equal sides on all three. And all 3 angles will be the same, right? So you just went through your triangles, so see which one that is. Right, 9.6 says, look at this picture, this shape, and then answer the questions. Number 1 says, name any 2 pentagons in the shape. Enige pentagone. So you need to look at the shape inside the shape, right? And then you need to tell me the letters. Remember, we say the letters in alphabetical. Not alphabetical, we name the shape in capital letters, sorry. So I'm just going to give you one, right? So there is a pentagon, which is A, B, D, E, C. Okay? You look for the other one. 9.6.2 would like, it gives you, right? It actually gives you a trapezium. It says D, E, C, D, E, C, B. There's your trapezium, and it says you need to look for 2 more. Okay, and then number 3 says name 4 quadrilaterals in the shape. So enige 4 hoeke. They did not say it should be regular. Okay, reëlmatig. They said it's anyone, any 4 angle shape, 4 hoek. Okay, so that's what you do with those. I'm going to take this off, and then you can pause and do those. With number 9.7, it asks you to determine all the lengths of all the sides and all the sizes of the angles. Now, this is where you really, really need to show me what you learned this term, because I'll give you some clues. Look at the triangles, which ones are the same. Look at what angle you've got there. Remember what the co-interior of a triangle is. And I think that's that. That's that's the only clues I'm going to give you. Yeah. Look at that and see if you can figure it out. Remember to redraw this. Redraw it a little bit bigger. Don't go and draw it on the scale, of course. That's only 5 centimeters. That's very small. But redraw this and then start figuring out what you can actually put in there. Let me also just take all that away. Right. Good luck. All right. With question 9.8, it gives you an angle. It says BFDC. So BF, oh goodness, BF polygon D and C. Okay, that's what they ask you, but I really think that's incorrect. I think it should be because it asks you for a polygon. I mean, if you go from B to F to D to C. That doesn't make a polygon. I think they made a mistake there, so I just changed it to B, E, D, F. So B, F, D, and I think that should be E, not C. And then that would make a parallelogram. That will be correct. But the other shape they just gave you here, so just go and fix that for me. That should be a E. That should not be a C. Okay, and the same there. Just change it for me there.